Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette by Kathleen and Colourpop for the first time. I am so excited. So this is the look that I'm going to create today. I wanted to do something that was like a natural glam because I really wanted to use this lip color, which is what is it called? I don't know how to say it, but I think it's Rever or something, but it's from Kathleen collection, and yeah. And I also want to do many more looks using this palette because like every shade in this palette is just so beautiful. I really want to play around with the blues, that pinky red shade, the silver, just want to play around so much. So I'm so excited for that. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching and I'll link everything that I've used down in the description box. Okay, so I just did one eye. Obviously I just wanted to play around off camera and just figure out what I was doing. So to start off with, I'm going to use Shooting Star and Magical just to use as my transition shade, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M330 brush and just dipping into both of them. And what I'm doing is that I'm just going back and forth really quick, but I have a really light hand, so you don't want to be like really hard on it. You just want to be really light and you just want to go in your crease. This palette would be perfect if there was a mirror. Like, I wish they would just like make the palette just a couple more dollars expensive and put a mirror, because I have to use a different palette with a mirror. It's just annoying. Okay. So I'm going to start off with adding a little bit of potion, and then I'm going to go in with this dark brown. So I'm just building it up slowly using the exact same brush. So I like to just pack it down first and then use circular motions and just build it up to the crease. And now I'm going in with that dark brown. And now I'm just going to use a smaller brush, which I'm going to use my Zoeva 230 brush, and go in with that dark brown. Just make it more pigmented and quite dark on the corner. Go back in with the other brush, just blend that out a little bit. And I'm just going to take a tiny little bit of this pinky red shade, which is called Spark. And I'm just going to put that on the crease like right near my brow bone, going quite far into the inner corner and bringing it right out. And then going back in with the dark brown. Alright. So now I'm going to go in with this beautiful gold shimmery shade, which is called Sweet Dreams, and it is so pretty. And I'm just going to use my finger for this, but like, look at that, that is just to die for. It's so pretty. And you can obviously use Fix Plus or wet your brush or whatever to make it more pigmented, but I don't have Fix Plus and I honestly don't think that it needs it. Like, it is so pigmented without it. Just going back in with the smaller brush, going back into that dark brown and just going to blend out that gold and this dark brown. So I'm just going to put some brown eyeliner on my bottom waterline, and this is the Mr. Bing by Colourpop. And then I'm just going to take that small Zoeva brush and I'm going to mix the dark brown and the medium brown in the palette and just go underneath. And in the corner of my eye, I'm just adding this highlighter by Colourpop called Wisp. So pretty. So I use my Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner by Maybelline, and I'm just going to do quite a little wing. Okay, so mascara, I just used the Extra Long Lash by Rimmel, and I just popped on some Ardell Wispies, which is like one of my favorite lashes ever. And let's just get straight onto the lipstick while that dries. this is like by far my favorite lipstick ever. I mean, I know that's not everyone's cup of tea because it's just such a wild color, but I feel like this color just would suit everyone because, I don't know, like, it's just amazing. I just love it. So anyway, let's put this bad boy on. Okay, so the look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more looks with this palette, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!